How to upload high quality TikTok videos. Open the TikTok application on your device. Upload the video like you would normally do. Tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. Click the photo or video. You can also upload it by tapping on this icon. Select the photo or video that you would like to upload on TikTok. Simply tap on that particular photo or video. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now in the final step of uploading, tap on the option More Options. Once you do that, you'll be able to access more options over here. Scroll down. You'll be able to find this option for allow high quality uploads. It is already toggled on for me. If it is toggled off, simply tap on the button in order to toggle on this option. Once you do that, close the more options. You can simply proceed to post. Tap on the option post. Once you do that, you can see over here your high quality video will be posted. Like this, you can post high quality videos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.